Hola mis amigos, we're making taco biscuit casserole. Here I have one bell pepper that I have diced along with 1 pound of lean ground beef, and I am just going to cook this until the beef is no longer pink. I'm also going to go ahead and preheat my oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Here I took a 12-ounce can of Buttermilk Biscuits, and what I did was I cut them into fourths and placed them into this bowl. So what we're going to do now is add 16 ounces of taco sauce, and you can use whatever heat level you prefer. I'm using medium. And we're just going to give these a stir to make sure that they are nicely coated. I've spread the biscuits and sauce into a 13 by 9 inch baking dish, and for this recipe we will be using 12 ounces of shredded cheese. So I'm going to add half of the cheese right now. I am using a mixture of mozzarella and sharp cheddar cheese. Next, we're going to place this into the 400 degree oven for 15 minutes, just to give the biscuits a little head start to start the cooking process, and then we will return. Everything is now nice and bubbly, and the biscuits are almost done. So what we're going to do now is add our meat mixture right over the top. And now we're just going to top this off with the remainder of our cheese. And then I'm going to place this back into the oven for an additional 5 minutes or so, just to get the cheese nice and melted and to reheat the meat and peppers. And then we are ready to serve. Taco biscuit casserole. Enjoy, and I'll see you at the dinner table.